So it says, it's asking us what is the value of x in the parallelogram qrst. Let me draw this out for you as well. So qrst. This is a really bad parallelogram, but it will have to do for this one. This is Q, this is R, this is S, and this is T. And I have a midpoint, or the bisecting lines intersect, and this is O. And it's saying that I have all these lengths, right? This is 8, this is 12, this is 3x, this is 2x here, right? So what is the value of x here? So again, we kind of did a very, very similar problem. Let me just zoom out and show you our similar problem here. So remember, our similar problem is this one here, right? In parallelogram, w, x, y, and z, what is the value of c and y? And we knew that from the property that cy here equals wc, right? We know that because the length between wc and c to y is exactly the same. So what I could do is I can do the exact same for this question, right? From q to o, and from O to S is the same length. From T to O and from O to R is also the same length here. So let me justify, and let me write this down for us here. So again, if I know this, I know that from Q to O, Q to O has to equal O to S, right? O to S here. Q to O has to equal O to S. And I know that T to O has to equal O to R, right? So from T to O equals O to R, right? So now I can just simply plug in my algebraic expressions, right? So Q to O here is 8, has a length of 8, and O to S has a value of 2x here. And so then I can solve for this algebraic equation, right? 2x equals 8. I can simply divide both sides by 2, and I get x here equals 4, right? So that here is our answer, and we know what B is our answer here. But what we can do is we can verify T to O equals O to R, right? So T to O here is 3x. O to R here is 12, right? 12. And again, I can divide both sides by 3 to get rid of the 3 on the left side. So dividing that 12 by 3 here gives us 4 as well. So x equals 4, x equals 4. The world is nice. B here is our correct answer, because I know that these lengths have to be equal for me to have a parallelogram, right? Remember, my bisecting lines here, the same length from one side length or one corner to the middle or to the center of the parallelogram has to equal from the middle point to the other corner as well. So using that property of a parallelogram, I was able to solve for x here. So in this case, B here is correct, and they did diagonals are intersecting at point 0, which is great. Length of that is 8, so they basically just redrew it here, and they're saying 8 equals 2x, 12 here equals 3x. So they did this here was the exact same thing as what I wrote down. Right? QO equals OS and TO equals OR, and they wrote it in algebraic form. Right? 8 equals 2x and 12 equals 3x, which means x equals 4, right, for both of them. Therefore, A here, or B here is our solution. So this here is great solution and analysis. So our solution here.